Flutterflow Overview. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search Flutterflow. Now click Start for free to make a new account. Create an account using your email address or other method. For example, using your email address. After you're in, a template panel will pop up. Just search what template you're looking for your project. For example, use 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and click the template. Set your name and click Create Project. Inside, you can see your left bar where there are a bunch of elements you can use. Just click and drag it to your canvas. For example, using a text element. To edit the element, go to your right bar. There you can edit the element. For text, you can edit the text style like font family, font weight, styling, font size, text color, text align, and others. You can also edit the alignment, padding, and opacity. On the left bar beside the element menu, you can see another bar. Inside you can see Build option and Connect option. For example, go to Firestore to connect it to your Firestore in Firebase. On the top right you can see the developer menu, where you can open in VS Code or download it as APK and other options.